So I was made in charge of that district. वहाँ पे तमिलनाडु में ना this cash for votes is very much prevalent. It's like
अच्छा.
cash would be distributed at along the streets just like that.
हाँ.
People would be distributing gaddies and all those things used to happen
हाँ.
एकदम
हाँ.
खुल्लम खुल्ला. So
अच्छा.
I was made.
Okay. So the first question I'm gonna ask you is, bureaucracy is a profession or rather a department. It's said that it's with power. Like, all the bureaucrats are said to be a powerful person. So are there any small mistakes, name, fame, सब कुछ अच्छा लगता है एक time के बाद, but a small mistake by any offices and all the media limelights are on you or any other offices. So after this situation, do you think this is something which is really a pressurized job, or you still think that this is what I wanted in my life?
Uh, See, if you are going to cause loss or harm to anybody, even if you are a bureaucrat or not, if you are going to do that, then I think the media should run after you with their cameras, and everybody should point their fingers at you. What I mean to
Yeah.
say is, this power is extremely beneficial, and at the same
Yeah.
time, seriously damaging to the recipients. See,
Yeah.
when we are appearing, I mean, preparing for this exam and then appearing it in this exam, we always uh, uh, we always see ourselves as somebody who is going to hold that specter of creating a new world order. We never envision ourselves as somebody who can cause pain to a lot of people.
Yeah.
But I also hadn't thought that far. But then I think that committing mistakes is very natural. I mean, if you are a human being, you are going to do that. And
Yeah.
just because I have committed a few does not mean that I'll give up on my years of perseverance and my ambition to keep doing good
Yeah.
for the people that I can still do. Besides, we are all human beings.
Uh,
We are all prone to misjudgment and guilt as well.
yeah.
So giving up. I mean, I wasn't fully ready for this, but I am now. That's my answer.
Yeah, that's really interesting, And but I want to say you something that um, this is something which everyone should understand, and this is something everyone should learn it from you. So this another question that I want to link it with the first one only, and this is not about your profession, but this is something I want to ask it in such a way that this is gonna helpful each and everyone in their personal life as well. So this is the question goes like, expectation is a disease. I personally feel like हम लोग कुछ चाहते हैं या करते हैं and कहीं ना कहीं अगर वो टूट जाता है if we don't get the thing and we all feel like everything is ended here. So do you feel the same? Do you feel like yeah, this is something like that?
Uh, Incidentally, yesterday or day before yesterday, somebody had asked me this question. But at first of all, I would like to differentiate between our personal lives and professional lives. See,
Yeah.
I believe that if in your professional life you are having expectations and then you accompany them with matching efforts, then
Yeah.
they are not bad. Because unless and until you expect something to happen professionally, you won't be
Yeah.
putting into that much effort. So professionally, I don't think it's a bad thing, but it always happens that despite putting in your best efforts, you might fail at it, and then dissatisfaction might set in.
Yeah.
But then expectations are not that dangerous. However, in our personal lives,
Yeah.
I would say that the more we uh, the more we focus on how much we are giving, uh,
Huh.
the happier we are going to stay. I'm not saying
Yeah.
that आप इतना you start giving so much that you end up getting exploited. But I but my personal experience has been that you should believe in giving as far as your personal life is concerned. You should believe in giving, and then there are more chances of not getting overwhelmed by these expectations. I also would like to add one thing here.
Hmm.
Expectations of others are always dangerous, and
Yeah,
we should,
true.
if we start preferring them over our own expectations, then we are going to end up in a soup sooner or later. So
Yeah,
they are dangerous, not the other ones, I would say.
damn true, damn true. Yeah, I think a lot of people will also agree with this thing with me about this thing that when somebody goes through your profile, or if somebody knows you as a person, that you're an amazing personality. You don't create that thing, pro forma formalities as an officer, rather someone so close. And the best thing I see about you is you always encourage new people, creators. You share their work, maybe a writer, maybe a photographer,
We are in the
which
same boat.
yeah, that's true. But this really means a lot to any creator who is really doing hard work, that you are portraying their work. So this is something I believe that this is come from the gene, or this is something which you got from your experiences in your life. So it's like हमारे जिंदगी में कुछ पल होता है मैम जो यादगार रह जाता है. Like if you ask me, like for me, the turning point of my life was staying in Punjab, because that's the first time I was staying away from my parents. I learned
Okay.
how the world is, how to manage your time, how to manage your money, how to mix with people with cultural barriers. So if I
Hmm.
ask you, आपके लिए अगर कोई ऐसा पल तो कौन सा रहेगा?
हमारा actually it was when I realized that the way I loved wasn't
Yeah.
wrong. Actually, it was when I found my husband, or I should say,
Oh.
he found me, that I realized that the decision of choosing a partner is so important and so underrated, especially in our society. I
Hmm.
realized that had I been with a wrong person, I would
Yeah.
not have been this careful, or I would not have been doing so many things that I'm able to do right now.
Yeah.
So, to be very honest, I had no plans of getting married.
Oh.
I was because
Yeah.
because I have always understood that
बट ऐसा क्यों मैम,
marriage is
संन्यास लेने का प्लान था?
अरे एक्चुअली शादी ना बहुत बड़ा झंझट लगती थी. मतलब I used to
अच्छा.
think that I will get
हाँ.
stuck, and there are so many
हाँ.
things that you would be needing to do that you don't want to do. So and
हाँ.
then I was
Responsibility.
not able to, and I was not able to find somebody good also. मतलब कोई इतना अच्छा नहीं लगा था कि शादी कर लें. But then
हाँ.
along came Irshad, and then since then I
हाँ.
have been every day I have
हाँ.
been learning to love more and love better.
Yeah.
So that
Yeah.
is it. I think it's rare, and I hope and pray that everybody finds a good partner, because it
Yeah.
really matters. It really, really matters. इससे बढ़िया आप शादी ना करें, लेकिन अगर कर रहे हैं तो थोड़ा सोच समझ के आराम से करें, जल्दी नहीं होनी चाहिए.
तो आपके लिए तो एक जिंदगी का बहुत बड़ा पल यादगार रह गया, like which is this is called a long term journey, like marriage.
Yeah.
So so as you are beside an officer, you are an amazing writer. ये सबको पता है. I don't need to describe you as an amazing writer. So दे कहावत है कि राइटर्स के लिए, जो क्रिएटर्स होते हैं, उनके लिए frustrations, breakups, and observation basically plays an important role in your personal life. So what goes for you?
I would say that I have a very good power of observation, as you said, and a
Yeah.
very, very good memory.
Oh.
Uh, yeah, I remember so much. In fact, the dreams that I'll have, and then in the morning I'll discuss them with my husband, And then
Yes.
for the rest of my life, I'll remember the exact details कि हमारे ख्वाबों में क्या हुआ था. And then
Okay.
मतलब अगर ख्वाब ही आपको इतने ज्यादा याद रह रहे हैं तो
हाँ,
फिर हकीकत तो कुछ ज्यादा ही याद रह जाती है.
हाँ.
And yes, my heartbreaks and my personal experiences do keep inspiring me. But when I'm going through those emotions, they never seep into my work. Only when I have processed the feelings well. Only then
Yes.
they'll start flowing through my pen. If I think you have already read my work, most of my
Yeah.
work is kind of happy read, except for a few. I keep experimenting, and you
Hmm.
will end up feeling happy and sad also. They are all a mixed bag kind of thing.
Mix.
So, yeah, and then one more thing I would like to say, which I tell other writers also. Uh, Whenever I sit down to write, I always try to write something that I haven't read myself anywhere else. तो शायद
Oh.
उस वजह से
हाँ.
थोड़ा अलग बन जाता है, बिकॉज एवरी टाइम आई थिंक कि इसमें ये कर दे वो कर दे, देन आई रिमेम्बर नहीं, आई हैड रेड इट देयर, या फलाना
Okay.
हैड आल्सो रिटन इट देयर. तो दैट हेल्प्स मी, दैट हेल्प्स मी.
Okay. So, as a writer, I also want to ask you something that is, एक होता है जब आप कुछ लिखते हो तो आपके मन में दूसरा ख्याल यह होता है कि मैं ये किसी को सुनाऊं, पूरे दुनिया को सुनाने के पहले मैं किसको सुनाऊं. So, who is the person who always has to listen all your writings? Is that your husband or someone?
Who else would be? He is the he makes me cry at times. He criticizes so much. मतलब एक
Okay.
कॉमा, एक फुल स्टॉप और एक everything that I share first go
Uh,
through his scrutiny, and then it is
uh,
shared. So, and then I
okay. He is
also
your critics also.
yeah, he doesn't appreciate me at all. I mean, very little. But and then he has helped me improve as well. He has
Hmm.
helped me improve. तो हमें अच्छा ही लगता है. इनफैक्ट ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट फील होता है कि अगर इरशाद ने टिक कर दिया तो इसका मतलब दुनिया भी टिक कर ही देगी.
Verification हो गया.
Yeah, kind of.
Okay. So, I want to ask you something, or rather, I want to go through a topic that is being a youth. I also personally feel that एक हमारे इंडिया में कहावत है कि बेटा 12th के बाद डॉक्टरी कर ले, इंजीनियरिंग कर ले या यूपीएससी की पढ़ाई कर ले. आई थिंक दिस माइट ऑफेंड अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, बट एक ऐसी जॉब में चले जा, योर लाइफ विल बी सेटल्ड. But if we look after this nowadays, a lot of youth are getting into digital platforms. They are being a YouTube creator, they're being vloggers, cinematographers, and etc. But kahin na kahin, I personally feel that still our Indian parents or Indian society cannot accept that this is also a profession. So there's a gap between their parents and the youth. They sometimes cannot say it, and they have to forcefully do it. So how will you say, because you are also a parent and you are also
Yeah.
you are also working with a lot of youth. So how will you describe this thing?
Hmm. I agree with you totally.
Yeah.
Whatever you have said. मतलब I'll give you my personal example. I am from
Okay.
Kota. तो वहां पे
Okay.
I had decided, my teacher had influenced me कि तुम यूपीएससी
A
सिविल
lot of
सर्विसेज.
engineers here and there.
और वहां पे तो जब हमने व्हेन आई ऑप्टेड फॉर हिस्ट्री, तो हमारे मोहल्ले और पड़ोस और सब लोग ये कहने लग गए कि हम फेल हो गए, इसलिए हमने हिस्ट्री मतलब
हाँ.
ह्यूमैनिटीज ऐसे देखा जाता है ना, मतलब
हाँ.
ह्यूमैनिटीज मतलब ये क्या
हाँ.
ले
मतलब
लिया
जिसको कुछ
मतलब.
नहीं मिलता वो ह्यूमैनिटीज लेता है.
हाँ, जो टफर होता है
हाँ.
वो ह्यूमैनिटीज लेता है. तो आई अग्री,
हाँ.
द प्रेशर इज वेरी रियल, एंड
हम्म.
we being parents, at times we don't connect with our children. But since our viewers here are, I think, mostly young people,
Yeah.
so I would like
Yes.
to tell them that it is the child's responsibility also to understand a few basic things.
Yeah.
Firstly, education is very important. I
Yeah.
mean, it is never going to harm you. It is always going to help you. So you should know that there are people who wanted to have education but couldn't get it, and
Yeah.
couldn't avail it for their children. So if your parents are saying कि पढ़ाई पे थोड़ा
हाँ.
ध्यान दे लो, तो वो एक बेसिक लेवल ना जरूरी है, उसके बिना
हाँ,
आप बिल्कुल मतलब नहीं कर
कुछ
पाएंगे,
नहीं कर
आपकी
सकते।
गाड़ी कहीं ना
हाँ,
कहीं जाके अटकेगी। तो इसलिए आप
हाँ,
जो एक बेसिक एजुकेशन का अपना है उस पर थोड़ा ध्यान दे लीजिए।
हाँ,
सेकेंडली, देर आर नो शॉर्टकट्स टू सक्सेस. If you want to achieve something, you'll have to work really hard. You'll have to
हाँ,
you'll have to be very patient, and you'll have to
हाँ,
be consistent. Matlab,
yeah,
once you have decided what you
हाँ,
want, the house, I mean, how you are going to do it, that can be figured out later. But first of all, you have to understand कि हाँ आपको ये करना है. ये नहीं कि 3 दिन बाद आपको लगे यार यार इसमें तो बहुत मेहनत है, रहने देते हैं. वैसे आप
हाँ,
करेंगे तो आप कहीं भी मतलब you are not going to go
नहीं हो पाएगा।
anywhere. सो
हाँ,
फर्स्ट यू शुड नो कि आपको सच में किस चीज में इंटरेस्ट है. ये नहीं कि वो कर रहा है या फलाना कर रहा है या अच्छा लग रहा है, मजा आ रहा है. थोड़ी दिन बाद सब मजा जो है खत्म हो जाता है, बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है इसमें.
true,
तो आई वाज सेइंग कि once you know, then you will have to convince your parents. And how are you
yeah,
going to convince it? It's going to be through your actions. मतलब आपने
yeah,
जो रिजॉल्व किया है उसके बाद
हाँ,
what kind of how sincere you are towards it, and what kind of actions you are doing, that's going to convince your parents, and not
हाँ,
uploading statuses and stories on WhatsApp and Instagram. That's not going to help. तो
yeah,
आप
working out,
जब सिंसियर होते हैं ना, तो आपके
हाँ,
आसपास पूरी दुनिया को समझ में आ जाता है कि ये तो करेगा ही करेगा या करेगी ही करेगी. थर्ड
yeah,
थिंग आई वुड लाइक टू से कि नथिंग गुड कम्स इजी. अगर आपको कुछ अच्छा करना है तो इट इज
हाँ,
ऑलवेज a slow and at times very painful process. मतलब if you
yeah,
want to be into something, कुछ भी हो सकता है ये. मतलब आप जैसे डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म पे तो आगे बहुत ज्यादा, मतलब हम तो इंस्टाग्राम सोशल मीडिया पे थे नहीं कुछ महीनों
हाँ,
पहले. बट
हाँ,
अब जब हम आए तो आई रियलाइज कि इट नीड लॉट्स ऑफ वर्क. मतलब हर चीज में मेहनत है.
हाँ,
एंड इफ यू
हाँ,
वांट टू बी इनटू समथिंग फॉर द लॉन्ग रन, तो आप तैयार रहिए कि बहुत स्लो होगा और आपको बहुत ज्यादा सब्र की जरूरत है. तो अगर जो
exactly,
पेरेंट्स हमें, जो एल्डरली हमें सुन रहे हैं, वो प्लीज समझें कि जमाना बदलता रहता है, और
हाँ,
हर चीज में आप एक्सेल कर सकते हैं. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि
हाँ,
सिर्फ डॉक्टर इंजीनियर बन के ही आप एक्सेल करेंगे. वैसे डॉक्टर इंजीनियर भी बुरा नहीं है, लेकिन ये सब भी आप कर सकते हैं.
damn true. You know, this is, I really appreciate the way you describe the things. I think this will a little bit decrease the gap between parents and their children. So, there's another question I want to ask you, uh, every time there's something political agenda या कुछ भी हो जाए देश में, so a lot of people think bureaucrats are the person who always works on the path of ruling party. Do you think this is something is really true?
आपको पता है ना ये कितना मुश्किल सवाल पूछा है आपने.
मुझे पता है इसके बाद
But
कंट्रोवर्सी होने वाला है, उसके पहले मैं माफी चाह रहा हूँ.
नहीं, लेकिन आई वुड लाइक टू से हियर दैट इट इज
Yeah,
इनकरेक्ट. क्योंकि bureaucracy doesn't work as per the ruling party's whims. It works
yeah,
within the walls of the laws of the land. जो
yeah,
चीजें, the things that you may have read, they are not as simple as they appear. सब कुछ लॉ
yeah,
के अंडर ही हो रहा होता है, within the boundaries of the law.
yeah.
I
Huh.
won't say anything more about this. We will just move on to the next question.
Yeah, yeah, that's okay, that's okay. So, I want to ask, there's something that being an officer and being after that, you are also somebody's parent, you are a wife of someone. So you have your personal life and you have your professional life, and every day is not the same. किसी दिन मैम आपके साथ हो ही सकता है कि आप आपकी जो प्रोफेशनल लाइफ है वहीं पे lot of hectics going on and pressures going on. But then when you come home, yeah, you have to be that smiling face in front of your parents or your children. So how do you manage this? How do you balance this thing? Handling your professional and personal life.
To be very honest, I have not been balancing it. My family members are balancing it.
Oh,
It's
okay.
like
Yeah,
office maybe if we are having a bad day, and
yeah,
then there are times when we can't be ourselves there. I mean, if I'm feeling frustrated or if I'm upset about something official, I'm
Yeah.
not allowed to be that vocal there at office. So I believe that when I come at home and I just vomit everything in front of my husband कि ऐसे हुआ या वैसे हुआ या जैसे भी हुआ,
Yeah.
and then even if he doesn't even if he doesn't have much to say, but whenever he listens, I feel so much better.
Mm.
बाकी बाकी ऐसा भी होता है वीम के जब आप घर आते हैं ना, तो अपने
हाँ
आप आपका दिमाग जो है वो ठीक हो जाता है, अपने आप ठीक हो जाता
हाँ
है, क्योंकि एक तो हमारे यहाँ कुत्ते भी हैं दो, तो
हाँ
हम
yeah
जैसे और रॉजर रॉजर है, ही इज 10 years old. रॉजर हमारे साथ
yeah
हमारी पहली पोस्टिंग से हमारे साथ है, तो
हाँ
जैसे ही हम घुसते हैं घर में वो एकदम से है और वो सब हो जाता है, तो आई थिंक
हाँ
डॉग्स आर ऑल्सो माई फैमिली मेंबर्स एंड दे प्ले अ वेरी बिग रोल इन कामिंग मी डाउन. नॉर्मली ये होता है हम चाहे कितने भी मतलब खराब मूड में आए हों,
हाँ हाँ
when they come and they wag their tail and then they try to lick me or all those things, उसमें मजा आ ही जाता है. बाकी
exactly.
एज आई सेड, लोग कहते हैं कि आप,
हाँ
पीपल से दैट यू शुड नॉट मिक्स योर प्रोफेशनल एंड पर्सनल लाइफ,
हाँ
लेकिन आई बिलीव दैट देयर शुड बी समबडी इन योर फैमिली और योर फ्रेंड और हुसोएवर, जिसे आप
yeah
एटलीस्ट जो अपनी प्रोफेशनल परेशानियां हैं वो भी बता सकें. इससे ना
yeah
बहुत फर्क पड़ता है, बहुत ज्यादा. क्योंकि जो पर्सनली हो रहा है वो तो आप प्रोफेशनली किसी को बताएंगे नहीं, बट प्रोफेशनल जो पर्सनली वाला है वो आप उसको बता सकते हैं. जो प्रोफेशनली वाला है वो भी आप उसको बता दें तो आपका दिमाग ठीक रहेगा. नहीं तो धीरे धीरे यू बिकम अ वॉल्केनो, जो कभी
yeah
भी फट सकता है.
फट
और
सकता
ये
है.
होता है, हाँ ये होता है. आप अपने
हाँ
मतलब you start behaving very rudely with your family members over a period of
yeah
time because they don't know half the things that you are undergoing.
yeah
बाकी अभी
yeah
हमें
that
एक मुश्किल और एक हमें और फेस करनी पड़ रही है कि वो जो एक तो प्रोफेशनल लाइफ थी, एक पर्सनल लाइफ थी, अब माय लाइफ एज अ राइटर हैज आल्सो बिगन. उसमें हमें थोड़ा
हाँ
सा अभी हम आई एम स्टिल लर्निंग हाउ टू बैलेंस दैट.
yeah
Actually, I'll tell you, शुरू में the first story that I had written, it's
yeah
called as I write microfiction. It's short
yeah
stories within 500 words, and they have diverse themes, and feedback has been very good. So
yeah
the my first short story, I had written it on a hospital bed. What had happened? Corona situation had already disrupted our normal routines, and I was
हाँ
hospitalized because of food poisoning. It happened in
okay
June end. सो आई वॉज
yeah
रिकवरिंग फ्रॉम इट, और हमने जब पहली स्टोरी लिखी तो हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा. एंड आई
हाँ
थॉट, एंड दैट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम दैट आई रियलाइज दैट आई डिडंट वांट टू गेट बेटर एंड गो बैक होम, बिकॉज हम 4 दिन थे वहां पे और
हाँ
हमने चारों दिन स्टोरी लिखी. इंस्टाग्राम से ही फोटो पे आई गेट
हाँ
इंस्पायर्ड, इंस्टाग्राम से ही
हाँ
आई रोट दो स्टोरीज. और एंड देन आई रियलाइज कि अब इफ आई ज्वाइन ऑफिस तो फिर
हाँ
तो ये माय क्रिएटिविटी इज ऑल गोइंग टू गो डाउन द
खत्म
ड्रेन.
हो जाएगा. हाँ
लेकिन ये हो गया कि मतलब आई हैव रियलाइज दैट डूइंग समथिंग दैट यू लाइक कैन डू वंडर्स टू योर माइंड सेट. मतलब
yeah
irrespective of what kind of day I am having at office, जैसे जैसे शाम होती
yeah
है ना, वैसे वैसे
हाँ
दिल में खुशी हो रही होती है कि अच्छा अभी हम घर जाएंगे, उसके बाद खाना खाएंगे, उसके बाद रात हो जाएगी, फिर हमें अकेले छोड़ा जाएगा, एंड देन आई एम गोइंग टू सिट डाउन एंड राइट. तो वो एक
yeah
उसमें भी मजा आ रहा है. बस एक प्रॉब्लम है, थोड़ा स्लीप शेड्यूल गड़बड़ हो रहा है. वो
हाँ
धीरे धीरे सब हो जाएगा. आई थिंक इट विल टेक इट्स ऑन टाइम,
हाँ
ओन टाइम, बट इट्स गोइंग टू बी ऑल वेल बैलेंस्ड. अगर आप कुछ करना चाहते हैं कुछ भी
हाँ
या कितना भी, तो आप एक एक
हम्म,
करके शुरू करिए. आप एक साथ 3-4 चीजें शुरू करेंगे तो कुछ भी सही नहीं हो पाएगा. अब जैसे इफ यू लुक एट मी, हम हमेशा से आई ऑलवेज वांटेड टू बी अ राइटर, बट ड्यू टू
yeah
सर्टेन रीजन आई कुडंट डू इट बिफोर. पहले हमें यूपीएससी हमने क्लियर किया, उसके बाद क्लियर करने के बाद भी हमें 11-12 साल लग गए फिर
हम्म,
से लिखने में. मतलब तो हम यही आप लोगों को समझाना चाहते हैं कि 3-4 चीजें एक साथ मत करिएगा. जो भी कर रहे हैं आप टुकड़ों में धीरे धीरे करिए. चीजें जो धीरे धीरे
हाँ
होती हैं वो ज्यादा अच्छी होती हैं और फिर दूर
अच्छी
तक
होती है.
जाती हैं.
yeah exactly. So I think this will be an inspiration for a lot of people. A lot of youth gonna inspire through this thing which you share. So I won't take much of your time. I will ask you a last question on it. So it
ओके.
goes like, I'm a huge fan of Saurav Ganguly. So whenever I feel low down, I see his motivational speeches. So somewhere he said one day that to be something in life, if you want to be something in life, you have to get into that character. I want to ask you in that thing because जितने भी अभी आज के जनरेशन के कोई आप ये देख रहे हैं उनको अगर यूपीएससी प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं, so do you believe that you have to get into that character, to be an UPSC aspirant? Connecting to that, I also want to ask you, how is life now being an officer? And it's been a long journey. You have been an officer. Like, how is that, search and survey, so-called raid, and how everything is going?
Getting into the character. You are right there, but getting into the character for an aspirant means you have to get ready for a war and not some petty battles. You need to broaden your horizons. थोड़ा आपको दिमाग अपना खोलना पड़ता है, and you have to rise above small issues. आपको ये समझना जरूरी है कि only the best or the most hardworking people get through this exam. And then you have to be readily convinced that there are going to be long periods of frustration and feeling being stuck and feeling as if there has been no progress at all. ये बहुत ही लंबा, बहुत पेनफुल होता है. मतलब आपको तैयार रहना पड़ेगा कि मुझे फीलिंग आएगी कि मैं फंस गया हूँ, मुझे लगेगा कि कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है, सब गलत हो रहा है. सो दैट्स अ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ थिंग. मतलब हमने ये रियलाइज किया है कि तैयारी करते वक्त सारी तैयारी तो यहाँ से होती है. मतलब यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ. सिर्फ पढ़ाई तो सब करते हैं, बट यू हैव टू बी वेरी कॉन्शियस अबाउट हाउ यू आर थिंकिंग अबाउट इट. आई टेल यू वन मोर थिंग. जैसे हर साल every year we read successful stories of a few stories of a few successful candidates. But if you see, there are always about 700 to 800 odd candidates who clear this exam. लेकिन हम लोगों के सामने ज्यादा से ज्यादा we hear about maybe 40 to 50 people. So how the others did it, मतलब उन लोगों की स्टोरी तो कभी सामने ही नहीं आती है. So I would like to say that there is no one right way of getting through this exam. आपका अपना तरीका हो सकता है और वो तरीका भी सही हो सकता है. दूसरी चीज, each one of us is having a journey of his or her own. It cannot be the same. I mean, you cannot have the same journey as some other person is having. And I also would like to say one more thing, that many clear this exam. ऐसा नहीं है कि जो लोग एग्जाम क्लियर करते हैं उनके कुछ अलग से पर लगे रहते हैं या कुछ और होता है. many clear it, and you should never doubt yourself कि मुझे होगा या नहीं होगा. And okay, I'll come to the next question about that. It has been very good, I would say. शुरू में जब हमने ज्वाइन किया था तो जैसे I did BA honors.
Share any of your experience on search and survey if possible.
Yeah, I would like to. काफी वो थोड़ा funny भी है, and it's a little funny also. I'll tell you, I have been posted in Tamil Nadu at Ooty for 2 years. I had to learn Tamil. It was a very, very good experience. I'm forgetting, I have forgotten half of it. That's a different thing. But it was a wonderful experience. And then there were Tamil Nadu Assembly elections in 2016. So I was made in charge of that district. वहाँ पे तमिलनाडु में ना, this cash for votes is very much prevalent. It's like cash would be distributed along the streets just like that. People would be distributing gadis and all those things used to happen एकदम खुल्लम खुल्ला. So I was made in charge of that. कि I need to know. Now the thing is, I was an outsider. Though people say that I look like a South Indian, but South Indians never said that to me, that I look like one. I was an outsider, and then by that time I had learned Tamil, so that language barrier was not that much. The problem was, whenever the information used to come, my mobile number was made public. So whenever the information used to come कि यहाँ पे some cash is there, वो it used to cross so many channels that by the time it will reach me and by the time my team reaches there, वो सब पूरा एकदम
हाँ
खाली हो जाता था. One day what
हाँ
happened, I don't know how it happened. One day I got a call on my personal number
yeah
and he gave me exact, and then he gave me exact details कि ma'am
हाँ
in half an hour cash is going to leave that petrol pump. There was one petrol station. So he
हाँ
said that, he gave me that information. I sent my inspector there.
yeah
We don't wear uniforms. That's the best part. I'll tell
yeah
you also that why I like not wearing uniform. That
yeah
not wearing uniform helped me that day. So
yeah
I had briefed my inspector कि तुम जाना, जैसे ही कुछ movement होता है, you inform me. I'll come with the rest of the team. तो
yeah
what happened, he saw somebody getting, you must have seen ना, पेट्रोल पंप पे वो कितना छोटा सा एक रूम होता है, कहने को जो
हाँ
मैनेजर होता है,
एग्जैक्टली
वो पूरा ग्लास लगा होता है, मतलब देयर इज नो
हाँ
प्राइवेसी एट ऑल, हम ढंग से इंटरोगेट भी नहीं कर
एग्जैक्टली
पाते थे.
हाँ हाँ
वो
हाँ
उसमें से मैं इंस्पेक्टर, ही सेड, वी वर अराउंड ओनली बिकॉज इंस्पेक्टर सेड कि कुछ तो हो रहा है वहां पे. So
हाँ
he saw that somebody was coming out with some kind of roll, with some kind of roll in the newspaper. It
हाँ
it looked like bread. But
ओ
then my inspector, he went to him and then he asked him कि इसमें क्या है. तो he said इसमें कुछ भी
हाँ
नहीं है, इसमें कुछ भी नहीं है. By the time we all
हाँ
reached, and then what happened? It was drizzling also, and
yeah
it was in that small in that small room there was around some 40 lakhs of cash. And when we
oh my
entered,
god
the cash was right there on the table. मतलब ऐसा होता है कि normally we expect कि
हाँ
हम लोग को थोड़ा ढूंढना ढांडना पड़ेगा थोड़ा,
हाँ
but वहां पे वो बिल्कुल टेबल पे ही रखा हुआ था, and there were 5-6 people around them. So we were I think myself, I was deputy commissioner back then. So I think I
okay
was there, and two more group B officers were there, and three, four staff. We were a team of six or
हाँ
seven persons. I was already
yeah
given. I had already caught some cash beforehand, so I was
yeah
given one constable by the police expenditure, police observer for that
yeah
district. So he was there, and then I informed the collector कि यहाँ पे हम लोग proceeding कर रहे हैं, आप please पुलिस और भेज दीजिए, फोर्स और भेज दीजिए. So the
हाँ
more of the force was sent, and then what
yeah
happened? मतलब चीजें ना
yeah
कब कहाँ से लीक हो जाती है कुछ पता नहीं चलता है. कुछ इस तरह
हाँ
से हुआ. पहले तो हम लोगों पे भी प्रेशर आया. वी स्टार्टेड गेटिंग कॉल्स कि ये जो है रूलिंग, मतलब रूलिंग पार्टी का है, सो जस्ट लेट
हाँ
इट गो. और
yeah
हमने कहा कि मतलब सर अभी तो बहुत आगे बढ़ गया है, मतलब अभी तो आई
हाँ
कांट टेक इट बैक, और ये वो, और अभी ये ढंग से जवाब भी नहीं दे रहे हैं. या तो आप
हाँ
इनसे बोलिए कि एक्सप्लेन कर दें, या फिर हम मतलब हम अभी ऐसे कैसे जोड़ दें. और प्लस ऐसा था
हाँ
ना, सब कुछ वर्बली हो रहा था सब कुछ. पता नहीं कैसे, पता नहीं क्या हुआ, आई डोंट नो. लोकल पुलिस के पास ये कॉल आई कि एक मॉब है जो उस पेट्रोल बंक की तरफ आ रही है. मॉब इज
हाँ
कमिंग टू अटैक द टीम,
yeah
मतलब हम लोगों को अटैक करने के लिए. एंड
हाँ
पुलिस फोर्स, दे डिसाइडेड टू लीव द स्पॉट बिकॉज वो
हाँ
बहुत सारे लोग आ रहे थे उनकी खबर के हिसाब से. देन आई स्टार्टेड गेटिंग कॉल्स फ्रॉम माय बॉस, ही वाज सिटिंग एट कोयम्बटूर. हमारे पास कोयम्बटूर
okay
से कॉल आई, हमारे पास चेन्नई से कॉल आई कि सबिया यू लीव एवरीथिंग एंड यू जस्ट गो फ्रॉम देयर, क्योंकि बहुत
हाँ
ज्यादा ये हल्ला हो रहा है और वो लोग पूरी लाठी वगैरह लेके आ रहे हैं. मतलब उन लोगों को जीपीएस पे भी मूवमेंट दिखा था, जो भी हम लोगों का था
हाँ
व्हाट्सोएवर.
हाँ
तो हमने, व्हाट आई डिडंट टेल माय टीम कि ऐसा कुछ होने वाला है, बिकॉज आई रियलाइज कि ये कुछ मतलब लोकल जो पॉलिटिक्स होती है वही हो रही है. जो हमें
हाँ
एक
हाँ
पर्सनली हमारी प्रोटेक्शन के लिए बेचारे कांस्टेबल मिला था, बस वो खड़ा हुआ था, और बारिश बहुत
हाँ
तेज होने लगी थी. एंड देन एवरीबडी एल्स लेफ्ट. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड, जो पेट्रोल स्टेशन था उसके बीच में मेन रोड था एक बड़ा सा.
हाँ
तो जब
हाँ
बारिश हुई तो रोड के उस तरफ ना पीपल स्टार्टेड, मॉब एक्चुअली में आ गई थी. देयर वर अराउंड 60
अच्छा
to 70 पर्सन्स. हाँ.
oh my god
और एंड देन न्यू कि कोई लेडी ऑफिसर है
हाँ
जिसको, मतलब जिसको भगाना है या पीटना है
हाँ
या जो भी है.
हाँ हाँ हाँ
अब हुआ ये कि सबसे ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग चीज ये हुई कि दे डिडंट रिकॉग्नाइज मी. मतलब मतलब
हाँ
they didn't, I was standing right across them, but they
हाँ
thought कि officer कहाँ है, officer कहाँ है. हाँ, I look a little younger than how whatsoever old I am. तो उन लोगों को
yeah
यही लगा कि ऑफिसर कहाँ है, तो they were just looking here and there. उसके
हाँ
बाद they couldn't find the officer, so they just left the place. And then I just
okay
completed my proceedings and I was happy that I hadn't told my team also about it. नहीं तो बहुत ज्यादा
yeah
वो हो जाता, पैनिक हो जाता है. और उसके बाद that person's candidature got cancelled because of that cash for vote.
हाँ
And
correct
then I was given commendation certificate for that. And then I was asked to proceed on leave. So I went went on leave after that. This was one of the most adventurous one. There have been other, I mean, in
yeah
Rajasthan also there have been, but this was the most interesting one because they couldn't find me. So I just maybe because of my face, I got saved that day. This is one of the most interesting one. Thank you for reminding me. I mean, making me recall that incident.
While listening, I was just thinking a small quote, rather, a small line that there's some days back, people used to think there are particular jobs can't be done by girls, and like when you were sharing the story, I was just thinking one thing, like कितने हिम्मत होती होगी आपको उस टाइम पे वहीं पे खड़ा होने के लिए, जो बहुत लोग ये सुन के डर जाते हैं. So like
Hmm.
I don't know what to say. Hats off to you, ma'am. Like
Thank
we
you.
we every time shout for the government, we every time shout with the system, but still we sleep so nicely because we have some amazing officers like you all. Like it's my pleasure that I got a chance to talk to you. I won't take much of your time. Please keep this good work, and आपकी राइटिंग की तो मैं क्या ही तारीफ करूं, उतना तारीफ करने लायक मैं हूं नहीं. You always inspire us with amazing thing, and the best part I want to recommend all the creators that you are someone who never gives that formality feel, like always a friendly person to appreciate others work. Like have a nice day and keep your good work. It was amazing to talk to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Veem. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.